They don't debate finish yesterday now. We don't see them. We don't hear waiting they get to talk. See, I beg, make we, I'm advising my fellow youth, make we reject Eze Yamo. I beg, make we reject Eze Yamo. As we don't reject Oshomole before, make we not go say, now Oshomole be that one, now Eze Yamo. If we accept Eze Yamo, it means to say we are bringing thoughts and tout back to Edo State. People like Tony Kabaka. And we are bringing criminal to Oshomole back in the name of Oshomole. And the most criminal of all is this man who calls himself a pastor, who does not really represent who he is. You know, this man is ready to betray us, and he's already betraying us. A man who promised 4 years ago to prosecute Oshomole, this time around, he's not on the side of Oshomole. That tells you that the desperation of this combination of Oshomole and Eze Yamu is to destroy the youth and the future of Edo State. Please, 4 years, hand of 4 years, we are watching what is happening in Abuja with the government of Buhari. With what Buhari is doing, 5 years of Buhari is like 500 years of slavery. So, if we give Eze Yamu chance, it means to say we are giving Oshomole chance. We are equally giving Buhari chance in Edo State, which we do not want. On the other hand, Godwin Obasaki is a gentleman who is fighting all these Oshomole, Kabaka, and Eze Yamu to make sure we do not become a state of tout. So that tout will not be ruling us, so that we will not be ruling by ex-criminals. Look, Oshomole has embezzled billions of naira in Edo State, you know. In fact, Tony Kabaka is an ex-convict. He's an ex-convict who should be rotting in jail by this time. He was set aside by this same Eze Yamu when he was a Secretary of State to Igbenedion at that time because he was working for them. Do you all remember? Please, let us not celebrate miscreant. We are not miscreant. We are not illiterate. We are not decrepit people. We are not in state of danger. Please, let us use our mind to understand we are not going any forward by inviting this set of carnivorous humans in the name of politics, in the name of trying to govern Edo State. He is promising us that, heaven and earth, he will do this, he will bring this, he will bring that. Please, we do not have the resources to actually bring all this thing come about. In reality, we don't have it. Let us sow code according to our cloth, no longer according to our size. We are an ambitious people. But over ambitious is what will make a man not to achieve anything. Imagine you have one naira and you are planning to do something of 1 trillion. It means to say it will never be done. That is the state that these people want to put up. They are so desperate, they are willing to say everything. I love the one question Obasaki asked Eze Yamu yesterday. With all these things that you are saying, where are you going to get the money? He said we hope to raise revenue. Do you raise revenue? Do you raise revenue from nowhere? Are you going to tell us you will do this, you will do this? What has he done? He said he's a lawyer, he's a farmer. What farm does he have? What is he producing? I've never seen an advert on television, on the Zava newspaper, EBS, ITV, China, or NTA about what good he has done. The evil he has done, in fact, he has a lawsuit of over 700 million naira facing him on EFCC. It is because of he's in APC, that's why he's not even in prison. 4 years ago, if you have become a governor, you would have been better. But 4 years later, with the emergency and your decamping from APC from PDP to APC, tests your desperation. And that desperation, we reject it, Eze Yamu. We do not want you. You are the evil and you remain evil. By the way, why is Oshomole still relevant at this present time? Oshomole built hospital, and that hospital, he called Buhari to commission. As I speak to you, that hospital, over 4 years he left office, that hospital is not functioning. These people should be facing crime. These people, do you all remember as good as Professor Ali Ali went to jail after serving 4 years in office. He was the best governor of Nigeria until this day. There have never been a governor like him. He died in jail. Do you all know that? And Oshiomhole is still singing, celebrating, and all that. Thank God you lost the power of chairmanship of the leadership of APC. And let us resist Buhari, let us resist Oshiomhole, let us resist every other person that is trying to destroy our state. God has helped us with Obaseki, and we should remain with Obaseki. I'm from Esan, my fellow Esan people, please, let us not make mistakes. Let us wise up and vote for Obaseki. Let's vote for PDP. Let's vote for PDP. APC has been disastrous in federal. All their state that they can't even pay salary. With Obaseki recouped those states and he's paying salary well. All workers are happy under him. I have a lot of people who are civil servants because this state is mainly civil servant state. They are happy. He paid them before them. Even personnel, they are all getting their arrears and all their payment on regularly. But with Oshiomhole, Kabaka, and Eze-Iyamu, is going to be 3 persons in government. We don't want it. This is my take on it. Thank you all.